I'm going to swap out my spark plugs on this Ford Focus. Here's the original one, AGSF32YPC. But they don't make these anymore, so you have to get the conversion, and you have to look it up on the internet. And there's a PDF file that has this SP448. So I'm going to take these out, and I've got a little 5/16. It's pretty tight there. To take that off, pull this out, unscrew the plug, and then I don't have a magnetic plug, so I'm just going to use this to barely pull the plugs out. So here we go. All right, so this is I bought a set of plugs originally off of Amazon, and they were actually a 1/4 inch too small. So these have been in the car for at least 100,000 miles, and I've cleaned them once about 3 months ago, but they're still black as night. So I'm gonna put some new ones in, but they should be the exact same size. So let's take a look. So you don't want a shortened spark plug. You need to have the same exact size. So let's take a look. And it looks identical. You can see the clean new one, and there's the dirty old one. At least 100,000 miles, maybe even 200,000. 15, because that's what the mileage is on the car. So anyway, let's go ahead and get them swapped out. Use your hands to start the spark plug back in after you lower it down with whatever tool you need to lower it down, and that is hand tightened right there. That is nice and snug, and there's no way I could have stripped out the threads there. So you want to do that kind of the same way you do a lug nut on the wheels. Tighten it down, then get your wrench and finish it out the rest of the way. And that's nice and snug. Perfect. So let me put the cap back on and go do number 2, 3, and 4 here. All right, so after a week, I finally got this unstuck spark plug. It was broken off. I bought this little kit, and I had to do some extreme jury rigging to get this thing out. And I even canceled my insurance. Didn't think this thing would be out for a while. So a week and a half later, it's out. I had to do some really crazy system here to get this thing to come out, because they're so short. This is for a lawnmower. This is not for a car. So anyway, these 1, 2, 4 are already done. So I'm about to put the new one in, and we'll give it a crank up here in a minute. So finally. All right, we're back to running. All 4 successfully changed out. Here's the old one, and here's the broken off spark plug finally out of there. So successful, but it took some time if the spark plug breaks off. So hope you enjoyed it here at Media Cafe.